This is Amando 낙지.
예.
Guys, 안면도. 와.
낙지고요.
Beautiful.
Camera. This might be the thumbnail shot right here. This is amazing.
I've been working at KAIST University for 7 years now at the heart of Daejeon's Daedeok Innopolis region. Korea's core research and development district, currently celebrating its 50th anniversary. Established in 1973, the Daedeok area is home to over 20 research institutes and 40 corporate research centers, making it Korea's most essential research and development region. Korea's brain power starts here. But what many people don't know is that the area itself boasts beautiful natural parks, a variety of shops and cafes, as well as some of the best food you can find in Daejeon. Because of the large amount of workers and researchers in the area, the restaurants have to be fiercely competitive. Basically, if you're a foodie like me, this area has some of the best food you can find in Korea. And today, I want to show you a restaurant that I personally love in the Daedeok Innopolis area, serving a unique style of nakji tang, as well as highlight a few other restaurants that KAIST workers and researchers in the area also love. This is Bakseok Nakji Tang in the Daedeok Innopolis region of Daejeon. The Korea Innovate Foundation works to commercialize the research born from this scientific hub, making it one of the most essential establishments for the growth and prosperity of Korea. And to celebrate the 50th anniversary of the foundation of Daedeok Innopolis, they asked me if I could highlight some of the restaurants that I enjoy visiting regularly. And the first place that came to my mind was Bakseok Nakji Tang. This Nopo matchip serves incredible 충청남도 style Nakji Tang and is the perfect soul-warming soup for a cold winter day. Actually, today is quite cold. It's winter time, and I wanted to show you guys one of my favorite restaurants in the Daedeok Innopolis area, especially for the cold weather. This place has been open since 1990, so it is a Nopo matchip in Daejeon, and it's amazing.
와. 야, 잠시만요. 아만도 This is Amando 낙지.
예.
Guys, 안면도. 와.
살아있는 낙지고요.
No, it's steaming. Okay. Beautiful. It's like a 연포탕.
연포탕, yeah.
아, 자연산 굴.
Amando.
오, 자연산 굴 진짜 특별. I didn't know it was wild. 감사합니다.
Guys, this is a very, very special matchip in Daedeok Innopolis area. And the banchan is beautiful, but as service, the 사장님 has a seasonal menu. He gave us some 생굴 무회. Actually, this is my first time having 굴 무회. So I'm gonna try it first. This is 자연산 굴. 맛있어요. Wow. Wow, the 굴 is like really briny. Very soft. Very fresh. Really, really fresh. It's definitely that like pohang style muhe though. It's a little sweet and sour, but it's good. If you watch my YouTube channel, my fans will laugh actually because they know 무회 is not my favorite dish. 생무회 진짜 맛있어요. 네, 좋아요. Let's go for it. The nakji is so soft, like butter. And you get that really nice vinegar, gochujang bite from the sauce. I really love it. It's so interesting, the broth here, the gukmu here, it's very, very clean, just like jirimat, like very, very clear, almost no salt. However, there's a little bit of like a gochu spice. It's so interesting, very delicate and light. Man, on a winter day, this is perfect food. 진짜 맛있어. I love it. Guys, we got some sora gui. Man, look at that. That is beautiful. Wow. The flavor of that is really special. Like minty almost. Some kind of herb. Yeah, it's really delicious. Look at that. It's beautiful. Beautiful food. Wow. Buchu has a little vinegar sauce on it, just a tiny bit. It's good. Wow, kimchi is great. Kakuri. At least for a lot of foreigners, this dish and this food is kind of like high level mishika, like high level food. What I mean by that is there's not a lot of strong flavors. It's very light and delicate. But the sajangnim in the restaurant is trying to highlight the taste of the nakji and the taste of the bechu. They're not adding a lot of salt. They're not adding a lot of pepper. And if you're not really used to that, you might say this is bland. However, I think it's very, very artful, very special. Tip, if you're coming here as a foreigner, you have to understand the banchan is very intense, sour, strong. The main dish is a little bit light, so make sure you mix those together. It's beautiful, beautiful food. Man, I love this sauce. The sauce. Chojang, right? With a little bit of the wasabi, gochujang. Fantastic. We can eat forever. Alright, I know you're supposed to cut this up, but I just want to eat one whole.
Yeah.
This sounds so good right now.
Like
Like a noodle. Yeah. Wow. For me, nakji is just all about that texture. Really soft, turkey. It's like turkey hwa 보드롭다, like soft and chewy at the same time. We're in Daejeon. Daejeon에 있어요. Daejeon에입니다. This is Daejeon.
칼국수.
가국수 필요하세요. It's a real Daejeon food.
낙지.
알겠습니다.
충청도 남도 향토 음식이에요.
So when we add kalguksu to this is the traditional way of eating 낙지탕 in 충청남도. So this is really special food, traditional style. It's amazing.
오케이. 칼국수.
Guys.
네.
Wow. 아, 충청남도 음식. So beautiful. So, one feature of this dish are the huge chunks of bakseok. It's almost like a moo taste, but it's so delicious. There's so much flavor, a little chewy, a little like really soft, almost like a melon texture. Wow, it is like a melon texture, but very good. I'm so happy. Okay, now we're talking. Oh yeah, texture is so good. The kalguksu really soaks up the bakseok taste, like the radish taste.
Yeah.
It just gives it more flavor. San kimchi with kalguksu. There we go. I don't know, man. Kalguksu and kimchi is the best combo. Yeah, this is a really great place to come in Daedeok Innopolis area. Everybody, you come to Daejeon, if you come to this area, there are so many delicious restaurants, and not only that, it's a very beautiful place.
Bakseok Nakji Tang is just one of many well-established matjip in the Daedeok Innopolis area. In fact, the area is home to 3 of what I consider some of the best restaurants in Korea. First is Sukguwan Naengmyeon, a place I frequent in the summer months for their delicious Pyongyang-style chicken broth cold noodles. Seriously, this place is top tier for me, and you can find me here on a monthly basis in the hot summer. Next up is Sowon-gu Yuhang Ori, a beautiful restaurant specializing in duck dishes of all kinds. If you go there for lunch, I recommend the ori tang, but the true specialty here is the ori gui, duck skewers roasted on a unique stone grill, unlike anything I've seen before. And last but not least, I have to mention Gwangsae Jokbal, one of my all-time favorite restaurants and a serious competitor for the best jokbal in all of Korea.
Come visit the Daedeok Innopolis area, it's beautiful.